Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you an easy way to fix this issue where when you're trying to connect your elements to your CMS data and it's not displaying. So currently right now I've actually created this CMS collection here called articles where I have all of these data. Yeah, I have my image, the slug, the title, subtitle, project intro, client services, industries, data, and the rest of that, right? And whenever I try to apply this particular data to my canvas, it doesn't display. And I'm going to show you the reason why that actually happens and how you can actually be able to fix that. Okay, so right now I'm going to try to apply this, okay, to my uh, data that on my CMS. So my data on my CMS I created previously. When I click on a client, all right, this is supposed to display the information I have on client. But then this does not really do this. It doesn't display that, but rather it disappears. It's the same case when I actually click on services and the rest of that, right? The major reason why that actually happens is because this data type is different from the data type that is being applied. That is the same issue when you're trying, that is what is going to occur when you're trying to apply a text to an image data type, right? And overall, that is actually the major issue that is actually occurring here. So now to actually fix that, first of all, I'm going to delete this and I'm going to add a new text layer, okay? And I'm going to call this client. All right, and just very quickly, I'm going to create a stack out of this. All right, and then I'm going to set both of these to fill so this can be responsive when I work on this. I'm just going to quickly format this text. Uh, yep, I'm going to select this text and make this bold. Yeah. Okay, now since we already have that, I'm just going to quickly add the rest of the data there, create a stack for this, a new stack, add stack, and then I set this stack to actually be horizontal, and then I duplicate these. Yes, I call this a service. Okay, services, I call this industries. Okay, take the I out, and this right here will be the date. Okay, so I'm gonna call this dates just for placeholders, industry, and services, and client. Yes. All right. Once we're done with this, I'm going to move this down to appropriate layer right there. Okay, and then I can start pre filling this out. I can start filling this out. Right now, I selected on the text layer that I just created, and then I click on content. I go to set variable, and I select client. Okay, nothing happens. I'm going to show you the reason why this does not display this text right here. Okay, we're going to figure that out later. Okay, and next up, I selected the services, the industries. Where are you? There you are, industries, and last but not least, the data that we have, format date. Awesome. Okay, so now the reason why this client text is not displaying is when I go down to my CMS, you realize that there's no text field in here, right? The hello world text is actually a text that I imputed when uh, I inputted this as a placeholder for this, right? You can actually like write any default text as a placeholder for that. All right. So for the purpose of this, I just created this so I can be able to show you how what may actually cause the possible issue of your text not displaying when you're trying to connect your CMS data to this. All right. So right here, I'm going to include Google Translate. Okay. Hit enter. and then I'll go right back, okay, and voila, it appears right there. So holistically, when I want to apply these changes right now, I can be able to easily do that, okay, to be able to easily customize all of this. One very anyways, I'm just gonna quickly format this to make sure it's clean. I just wanted to use this to show you the possible reasons of why your text may not display when you apply them, you apply your CMS configuration to it. So overall, I just wanted to show you the possible reasons for why your text may not be displayed when you connect your CMS to your elements on your canvas. Okay, yeah, so there you have it, guys. I hope this helps. Do have a wonderful day.